many cups of coffee are we making?
Just one.
Before we get started, heat a little more than 12 fluid ounces of water to about 190 degrees. While you are getting the water, do you want me to play some music in the background? For 1 cup of coffee, you will need to grind 22 grams of coffee beans. Tap OK when you have the coffee grounds ready. Now let's get the apparatus ready. Tap OK when you have your chemex, hot water, filter, and coffee ready. Start pouring hot water to wet the coffee and let it bloom for 30 seconds. Starting a 30-second timer. Now. A few more seconds. Alright, now you can pour rest of the water until the scale reads 355 grams.
Hi everybody, how's it going? My name is Geet. Welcome to the channel. Today we're talking about this coffee shortcut that you just saw. I don't know if you like the montage that I made with the coffee and whatnot, but the basic idea of the shortcut is to tell you how much coffee is needed. And I really made the shortcut because I was kind of tired of doing the same kind of research or the same kind of calculation every day. This was a pretty simple shortcut and it could become a part of my morning routine, so I set that up. Hopefully this is helpful to you. I will leave a link to this in the description below, and you can definitely hit the subscribe button on your way down there. Anyways, let's get started. So the shortcut's going to start by asking you how many cups of coffee are we making? I mean, it's a pretty simple question, and I set it up in a manner that you can actually organically respond to that question. As long as your answer contains a number, this is going to work perfectly. So you can say something like, I'm making 1 cup of coffee. The sentence that you input, it's going to take that input and going to break it down word by word. And it's going to go analyze those words and see if there's a number in there somewhere. And then it's going to find out how much does the cups actually mean in fluid ounces. I'm taking my condition to be a 12 fluid ounce cup. If you're making a coffee in a much larger cup, you might want to come down here and change the 12 to, let's say, a 16 or a 14, depending on how big your cup is. And then it's going to go through a bunch of calculation where it's going to convert the water into ounces and then into liters. And then it's going to take the amount of water and identify how much coffee beans are required for that much coffee. I use 16 parts water, 1 part coffee, so I'm going to divide it by 16. But if you like your ratio to be different, you might want to make some changes over here now. One of the only things that I put in that might not be suitable for most people out here is the fact that it asks you if you want to play music while you're making coffee. It's going to start playing music through YouTube Music. I use YouTube Music, so it's going to go through my mixtape, but that's something that you can change as well. You can definitely put in something else. For instance, you can put an Apple Music station, or you can put a Pandora station. That's something that's definitely up to you. You can definitely make those changes. There are a few times that this shortcut actually pauses. It's going to give you a few minutes to boil the water. It's going to give you a few minutes to actually grind the coffee beans. So it's going to wait on you. So it's not like a completely automated system. It definitely is a good, how should I say it? It's definitely a good guidance mechanism that goes with you when you make coffee. So it's like a digital assistant telling you what needs to be done next. In the next few steps, it's going to ask you if everything is ready. And as soon as everything gets ready, you can definitely hit next. And then it's going to tell you to bloom the coffee. I know blooming coffee is kind of a pretentious thing, and I really don't know if it does anything, but I definitely added that to this shortcut, and it's going to wait on you for 30 seconds so you can bloom the coffee without any issues. And then it's going to ask you to pour the rest of the water. Well, that's about it. This is all I had for this shortcut. If you want more shortcut videos, I'll link one right over here somewhere. And if this video helped you in any way possible, please hit the like button. And if you want more videos like these, please consider subscribing to the channel. Thank you for watching. This is Geet.